Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Six Sigma. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong, and I'll be your professor for this class. Wanted to kind of go over kind of what we're going to look at in this class. So we'll look at the syllabus real quick, and it's just going to basically tell us that we're going to go through a different project. So at the end of this course, everybody's going to be able to say that they've done a Six Sigma project. So we're going to go through that hands-on and really try to work on building a project and see what that looks like. I know many people may have already done one of these, and maybe some people have not done them at all. So it's one of those things where we're going to definitely get you some hands-on experience in this aspect and really try to help through things. So we have a full 15 weeks, and that's the textbook of our class. I'll be giving you regular announcements each week so we can keep everybody on track and let everything know what's going on. You can also email me if you have any questions, as well as reach out on Canvas as well. The structure of the class is we're going to have discussion board posts, quizzes, and we're going to have those activities as well. So as we point out here, we're going to have discussion board posts, we're going to have project sections, and we're going to have weekly quizzes, and you're also going to have a chance to do a final paper on the subject of your choosing. So let me go ahead and show you the modules. This is probably where you're going to spend most of your time. And like, for example, week 1, we're going to have videos and reading assignments, both from the textbook as well as additional readings that you can read if you have time, as well as a video. So you guys have that as well, because I know people learn different ways, different tactics. So we have a pre-course survey, which I want you to fill out so I can get to know you a little bit better, know kind of where you're at in this process of knowing about Six Sigma itself. We'll have discussion board posts, like I said, and we'll have a project. So you're going to be able to pick your own project that you can have from work, or maybe even make one up on your own about something that might be very practical in your life. So you take that, and we're going to go through these different steps. We're going to tell you what Six Sigma is and kind of walk you through the steps. And we're going to definitely walk through just the whole project of that. So that's really where we're trying to go from in this class. And it's one of those things where I definitely welcome you in this class. I've definitely done many different Six Sigma projects as well in my career, and definitely have a lot of expertise in that area. So if you have questions, you want to know something that maybe we don't cover in this class, please let me know. I'm here to help, and I love to see you in this class. So appreciate you taking this class with me. And if you need anything, please reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.